The Larson Electronics LED wall pack light with glare shield and motion sensor is designed to provide a more durable and long-lived alternative to halogen and metal halide security and area lights. This 60-watt LED light is equipped with a day and night motion sensor and is a direct replacement for 500-watt quartz halogen lamps. This light can be operated as a day-night sensing energy-saving area light or as a motion sensing security or general area light. This LED wall pack light is designed to withstand demanding conditions and is waterproof, vapor-proof, and built to resist the damaging effects of an outdoor environment. The LED lamp assembly is protected by a shatterproof polycarbonate lens. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.